Welcome to Airworthy Tours, your guide in the sky. My name is Captain Philip, and today I'm going to serve as your pilot and tour guide as we take a tour of the USS Alabama. The USS Alabama is a World War II era battleship that played a vital role in every major campaign in the Pacific Theater. Now, before we get started, if you would like to be a part of future aerial tours, please consider subscribing to the channel. We are clear for takeoff, so sit back, relax, and enjoy your tour. Construction for the USS Alabama began on February 1st, 1940 at the Norfolk Navy Yard in Portsmouth, Virginia, and was commissioned on August 16th, 1942. The battleship has a length of 680 feet and weighs 42,000 tons. The USS Alabama has a plethora of armaments, but the main turrets are made up of 9 16-inch 45 caliber guns. Other armaments include 20 5-inch 38 caliber dual purpose guns, 48 40mm anti-aircraft guns, and 52 20mm anti-aircraft guns. Its side armor is 12.2 inches thick. The ship stationed 2,500 crew members at the height of World War II. The USS Alabama participated in numerous battles in the Pacific Theater, including the Gilbert and Marshall Islands Campaign, the Mariana and Palau Islands Campaign, the Battle of Leyte Gulf, the Battle of Okinawa, where it shot down 2 kamikaze planes, and it led the American fleet into Tokyo Bay on September 5th, 1945. In May 1962, the federal government announced that the USS Alabama would be scrapped. However, a group of people from Mobile envisioned the battleship as the anchor attraction of a Veterans Memorial Park to be located in Mobile. That dream came true on January 9th, 1965, when the USS Alabama Battleship Memorial Park opened to the public. Below is the USS Drum, a very decorated submarine that is credited with sinking 15 enemy ships. Below is a B-52 bomber, which has been in active service for the U.S. Air Force since 1955. There are currently 58 B-52s still in active service. More than 15 million visitors later, and a statewide economic impact of $1 billion, the park has become the most recognizable symbol in the state of Alabama, dedicated to all Alabama citizens who have served in the United States Armed Forces. If you enjoyed today's tour, you can tip your tour guide by hitting the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be a part of future aerial tours. Thank you for flying with Airworthy Tours, and we look forward to seeing you on our next flight.